Alright guys, me and Brienne made it out to the Spillway. We're going to do a little midday fishing. It's been raining all morning. We're going to come out in between the rainstorms. It's supposed to start raining again at 3. Right now it's 11, so hopefully we can catch a few fish in the hours we have out here. So we're going to give it a couple casts and hopefully we can hook into something. Stay tuned. Let's catch them. Okay guys, had to re-spool my pole. I was out of line, running extremely low, so I'm gonna put some more braid on it using, I think it's 6-pound braid, I believe. How you do that knot. It's pretty simple. I even used it for fly fishing as well. Works pretty good.
I just use my teeth.
I poke myself. Alright, I'm starting off with the black cherry. Brienne's starting off with the sexy shad. So we'll see what works better. Got the light colored, dark colored, see what works. There you go, baby. It's the magic maker. Kitech Swing Impact. I don't know if you guys ever used them. Come in a package like this. So got the black cherry, sexy shad, and the perch. Those are my favorite colors to use. Casey likes the brighter colors. I prefer the more natural dark ones, but they all work. Any of the colors I've used, I've caught fish on them all. Got one.
I was getting a bite too.
Making me nervous, darling.
I just cast on it right there.
I can't save you in this water. Brienne don't even know how to swim. She's getting close to the edge. And I know how to swim, just not very good. I hate bringing fish up the wall with braid. Because they get tangled usually. I got a heck of a tangle around this fish. That did not take long at all, boys. I figured the bite would be pretty good out here. It's been raining all morning. First one of the day. Jigging the Kitech Swing Impact. Got like a fresh mill in his belly or something. Something sticking out. That's cool. They're spawning. You can tell. I'm gonna go wipe it on Brienne.
No, baby.
Get him back. Oh guys, that was quick. That didn't take long at all. First cast. Oh, rain's starting again. That's the line that runs through there. That's probably a goner. It's like a cable that runs along this wall.
Get at the edge and see.
Really? You go? Oh crap.
Maybe I don't know what it is.
Or a a striper.
Is it really?
Yeah.
How do I get it? Can I reel it up? Or do you want me to do it?
Here, no. Roll in a little bit. Here.
Handle it all the way down.
No, just pull. It's not big.
Oh.
Just here.
What?
I'm gonna pull it up the wall. Hold the roll. Reel. Brian's got one on.
I got up here. My first fish in 2 years.
Look at that, babe.
Oh, it went through its eye.
Yeah, almost.
I yanked it. I yanked it hard too. I felt it.
Oh, you getting a bite, honey?
It felt like a walleye.
Yeah, that was a striper. That's why it ran the way it did. So I had to drag all the way tight.
Huh?
So you had to drag all the way tight.
I told you to check it, but you never checked it.
Forgot. It's fish number 2. Brian caught that one.
Huh?
Fish number 2, you caught it. So far, that's on the light collared contact. One on the light collared contact and one on the dark one. Holy cow, babe.
It got coming.
Oh, you had it.
I had it.
You're jerking too hard. Let's move down.
Oh, rusty.
Let's move
It's been a
down.
while,
Because
okay?
they're down there.
It's been a while.
Just be careful. Because you can fall backwards down here. Get hurt. Just a little bit farther. You're hooking them down here. Got one. Yep. Big sauger. Holy cow, I can't wait to show Aiden this one. Here, reel my pole, or put your pole down. I want you to reel this in while I bring them up. Be careful. Here. Hold on. Don't fall off the wall. You're very close to the edge, please. Step forward. Here.
Huh?
Step forward. You're close to scrap. Keep rolling. Brian's about to back herself right off the wall. I'm paranoid about her being up here because she's pregnant.
Wow, I've never seen a fish like that.
Well, it ain't that big. It was bigger at
I've
the wall.
never seen a fish look like that.
That's a pretty one. Look at that sauger. On the red and black. It's called black cherry contact. I will take it. Sauger. You can tell by its eye. It has a regular eye and its eye's not like a walleye's. And the dark spots and it's a beautiful fish. Snap a quick picture. Alright guys. Just caught this beautiful sauger. It's a pretty one. Look at the collars on this fish. It's a pretty sucker. Such a pretty fish for this river. I love catching these. Let's get him back. He's ready to go. Thank you, buddy. Maybe I'll catch you again someday. Turn into them in the rain. You hooked up again. Oh crap. Keep them up. You got a big one. I can't tell with her. It's hard to tell if she has a big one or... Oh no, it's a... Oh yeah, another striper, babe.
Really?
Yeah, let me get them up.
Yeah.
Watch you don't back off the wall here. I got them. Just stay there. The stripers are down here, I'll tell you what.
I'll hold on to your pole.
Yeah, because them stripers, they'll grab it and they'll run with it. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Hey,
Yes,
gonna
sir.
regret not
I'm
coming
getting a
today.
bite.
Are you?
Throw him back.
Throw 'em back.
Yeah. Watch, don't back off the wall. Oh man, I missed him. Dang it. It's weird, I'm catching like all walleye.
Walleyes and saugers, and I've
And,
caught.
yeah, and just white bass.
Yeah.
I think it's because they think yours is a shad.
Especially it's 60.
And them walleye might think mine's like a crawfish or something. I don't know. But it's very strange how she's caught all hybrids, and I haven't been paying attention. They're either hybrids or white bass. But and I caught all walleyes. It's all over. Dude, what the heck? Is that another white bass?
I don't know. It's fighting like one.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Holy cow, dude. What in the crap?
That's crazy.
That's awesome, dude. I can't fish, Brian's. Another, this is a little guy.
Oh,
Could have rode him up there. We're ripping them in the rain.
I know, I think you're getting a nibble.
Nice. Little white bass, that one is. Got him. Nice. He's hitting it, buddy. Another sauger. Yeah. Nice.
I don't want hit.
Another sauger. Ow. It's an ugly sucker. Another beautiful sauger. These fish are gorgeous. Out there spawning with them walleye, baby. I'd love to catch like a 20-inch sauger. It's like one of my goals in life. See if we can get them back. Take him for a little skydive.
Huh?
He went skydiving. I'm gonna switch collars. Alright. I'm gonna put on the perch. Things are starting to slow down for the old black cherry. So we're gonna switch to perch. Ain't perch.
I got one.
Brienne hooked up. Good job, babe. Brienne's a beast. She's beastie.
No, I think it got off.
Oh, it got off. Ah, she lost it. You had one. What? Was it another striper? Did you see it?
I didn't see it.
Jerking too hard, babe.
Yeah. Well, I didn't notice I had it. I was starting to reel in.
Brienne's like me. Every once in a while, she jerks like she's pulling in a freaking shark.
I'm excited. Maybe I wanted to be a shark.
I do the same thing every once in a while.
It was
fly fishing. Guys, that's all we were able to catch. We gotta get ready to head home. My mom's babysitting the baby and she wants us to go ahead and come home. He's giving her trouble. But yeah, we did pretty good out here for all the time that we was out here. We did pretty good for all the time that we was out here. We were able to catch a few white bass, some sauger, and some walleye, so a lot of different species. It was just a great day to be out on the water. I tell you what, they were biting good. All of them came off the Kytex, all off the black cherry and sexy shad. So if you guys never used the Kytex swim bait, definitely give it a try. It's very good in these rivers, and walleye, I love them. Walleye, even them with hybrids and stripers. Seems about every fish loves the Kytex. I think we've even caught drums on them. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this one, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. We're pushing it out, and we're going to get as many videos as possible this year. Stay tuned. Tell you what, other than all the on and off rain, it was a beautiful morning to be on the water. Caught some fish. Any day out on the water is a good day though. So, got a big rainstorm coming in. Hopefully it doesn't mess up the water too much. I'm sure it'll rise a little bit, but it's pretty low right now. So, but anyways, we're heading out. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.